Hello everyone guys, Third of Stage back again with you, and today we're gonna learn how to download and how to install Kali Linux operating system on VirtualBox. Okay, let's start guys. First thing, like always, you're gonna go to the Google and just type VirtualBox. There is gonna pop up official website from Oracle, and you can download for VirtualBox 6.1, which I have already, and I don't have to download it again. When you download this link, please go to download Kali Linux operating system. Just type Kali Linux download, and it's gonna pop up the official Linux operating system website. Please click there. From there, as you can see, there is for installer, for live as well, net installer, but for us we need installer one. As you can see, there is two different types, one of them for 64-bit and another one for 32-bit. Basically, it's really up to you which one you want to download for your VirtualBox, but it's playing much bigger role if you want to install on your device or on your laptop, wherever. Just please make sure which one you need to download. But in our case, we're gonna download 64-bit one. Basically, I don't have to download this again because I got this already. If you don't have, please download for 64-bit. When you've done this, let's go to our VirtualBox. Just virtual Oracle VM. As you can see, I got here two different operating systems, one of them Ubuntu and one of them Kali. But for now, we're gonna create another operating system. That's why we need new. Just please name your operating system Kali Linux. As you can see, the type is changed. As you're gonna press, there is the different types as well. If you're installing Microsoft or Solaris or macOS, but in our case Linux. As you can see here, for 64-bit one and for 32-bit one. As I mentioned earlier, that you don't have to worry which one you downloaded for your VirtualBox, but make sure that you got correct one, which is 64 in our case. Just press next. Please make sure that you're gonna give enough memory for your operating system, because it depends how your machine gonna run. In my case, I'm gonna give the half of my memory, which is 4000, and please next, create, next, and create. As you can see, there is new icon which is called Kali Linux, but there is none operating system. Now we're gonna put the operating system. For this, please go to the settings, storage. As you can see, the disk is empty. We have to put the system which we downloaded. As you can see, here we are, Kali Linux 2020.1 AMD for 64. If you don't have this one, please choose a disk file. As you can see, the operating system gonna be in your download section. Just press this, open, and okay. By the way, my recommend, if you're gonna go to the settings as well, for display, please, for the system processor, just please make sure that you're gonna give enough processor as well. If your computer is much powerful, please give at least 4 processors, but in my case I'm gonna give just 2, and press OK, and let's start running this. Basically, to install this, you need bit powerful internet network, because everything depends on your internet network. Okay, just press start. If you will have this kind of things, just press X and that's it. In my advice that you have to install for graphical installer, it's much better. Graphical install, press enter. Just ignore these messages from upstairs. In our case, we're gonna choose language English, United Kingdom, British English. Yeah, as I told, it very depends on your network. If you got powerful Wi-Fi, I mean like the speed of your network is faster, it's gonna be so fast. Just be patient, guys. Yeah, when it's done, it's gonna pop up to ask your host name. Just leave like this, Kali, the main name, which I'm gonna type my name. It's up to you which one you want to type. And full name for the new user, I'm gonna type my name again. And username for your account is gonna be the same. Please choose password. In my case, I'm gonna choose not too strong password for this video. Yes, and now we're gonna ask from you guide to use the entire disk. Yes, press continue. Press continue. All files in one partition. Yes, press continue. Finish partition, write change to the disk. Yes. Write the changes to the disk. Yes. Continue. Now it's gonna install the base system. As you can see, when it's installed, it gonna ask from your HTTP proxy information. Just press continue. Okay, alright guys, as you can see, during the installation it's gonna ask from you what kind of tools to install. My recommend, better take the large default selection plus additional tools and just press continue. And it's gonna continue installing it again. Okay guys, when it's done, it's gonna pop up just installed version. As you can see, now it's booting the operating system. Yes. Okay, now I'm gonna type my username. And my password as well. Okay, here we are guys. That's it. Thank you for your watching my video. If you like my video, please subscribe it. Thank you.